Hi everyone, this is Dong. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways of connection from the tablet to the VCI connector. So as we all know, there are 3 ways. That is the cable connection and the Wi-Fi connection as well as the Bluetooth connection between the main tablet and the VCI connector. Normally, the default connection is the Wi-Fi connection. Let me show you. So you could see in the user information, there will be VCI menu, and you can simply tap the VCI menu for about 5 times. Then it will appear the VCI management, and I will show you the way for the current connection. The default connection is to use the Wi-Fi communication mode, and here the 2 menu. Default one is using the auxiliary function of VCI communication data staffer detection. So using this way, when the communication data has not changed for a long time after the diagnose operation, a notification will be issued. And for the other one, use the VCI signal sensing auxiliary function. When the signal is weak and has affected the normal communication, it will prompt the signal is weak and disconnect the Wi-Fi connection. The other one is the Bluetooth communication mode. You can try to change by mark the use Bluetooth communication mode here. And also it is matched, and you can also deactivate the matching. Here there are 2 ways, and if you want to use the cable connection mode, you will need to go to settings. Just find setting. Here you can see in the setting there is USB management. You can see when the status is on, the USB Type-C interface is only for charging, and the other USB interfaces can be used together. And when the device mode is put to off, the USB Type-C interface may be used to connect to the VCI. So here you can see it's off, then which means the USB Type-C interface may be used to connect to the VCI.